Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today's episode, it's gonna be a cabin crew makeup tutorial. I still remember yung first ako na nag-decide na mag-apply sa cabin crew. My goodness, my makeup skills were so low, and the first thing I did was pumunta ako sa YouTube and I looked for videos that will teach me how to do my makeup. So, yun yung inspiration for this video today. I want to share my skills and share my experience to other girls as well who are aspiring to become a cabin crew, because I know it's not easy, especially if you're a fresh grad and hindi ka naman talaga sanay mag-makeup and you're not familiar kung ano ba talagang klase ng makeup ang sinusuot ng mga cabin crew. Kaya naman naisip ko na gawin tong video na to so that I can help out girls out there na yung gusto talaga na maging cabin crew but you're wondering ano bang makeup ang dapat ninyong gawin. So if you're interested to know and learn how a cabin crew does her own makeup, please keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get started. Before ako naglalagay ng makeup, ang unang-una kong inaayos muna for a flight is yung hair ko. So for me, never akong gumamit ng hairspray or anything kasi I feel like it's just gonna damage my hair. So when I fix my hair, ang ginagamit ko is hair cream. Just comb it through the hair. Add some more. From here. Kasi gusto ko sobrang neat lang talaga nung hair for a flight. Ayoko nung may mga tumatayo-tayo ako na buhok kasi feeling ko nagmumukha akong hindi well-groomed. Then I grab an ouchless hair tie. And when that's done, you already have your ponytail. Use is this, I don't know what it's called, but it's a bendy thing. So you open it like this, tapos ipapasok mo yung hair mo dyan. And then close it. And then, atake mo lang. Pull it back hanggang sa kaya. And then start rolling. Tapos i-twist mo ulit. Tapos, ang maganda pa dito, pagkababa mo ng hair mo after a flight, ang ganda ng pagkakulot niya. Meron kang big curls. So, yan. So, ayan na. Ready na yung hair mo. Pwede ka na mag-start. Ganyan yung itsura niya from the back. Okay, before applying the makeup, I will put moisturizer. And ang ginagamit ko na moisturizer is this one right now. It's KIEHL'S Powerful Wrinkle Reducing Cream. Meron na ring SPF to. So, ito yung super gustong-gusto kong ginagamit. Lalo na kung lalabas ako. So, just put liberal amount. Gagamit tayo ng Glam Glow. I've already mentioned this in my previous video nung ginawa ko yung tutorial for Fenty. And talagang super perfect match sila. Lalagay lang tayo. And what this thing does is that it illuminates the face. Environment na sobrang dry, sobrang kailangan mo ng bonggang-bonggang moisturizer. Let's get started. Ang unahin ko na muna is yung under eye ko. Like what I said, this is my routine. I'll be using the BECCA. I will be making another video teaching you how I conceal my dark circles. But for now, I will not go into details. Take a little bit. This. And start with concealer. Basically, yung ginagawa ng BECCA is to color correct your under eye. So now we start concealing. Here, with here. Hindi ko na masyado ina-elaborate kung ano yung concealer na ginamit ko ha. Kasi like what I said, I'm planning to make a video to teach you how I conceal my dark circles. Okay, let's start with the foundation. Gaya nga nung sabi ko nung una, from my previous videos, for foundations, when I purchase my foundations, I look for foundations na talagang naglalast ng matagal. My tip for you girls, when you're going for an open day or interview to become a cabin crew, is just pick the right makeup for you. Yung kung ano yung makeup na nagsusut sa inyo, wag kayong don't put too much makeup na parang hindi nyo nakamukha yung sarili ninyo. The aim of makeup is to emphasize kung ano man yung beauty na meron kayo. Ayan. Your makeup should look professional as well. Hindi naman to yung makeup na kailangan mukha kang gigimik. Ayan. It's done. And it should match the color of your skin. Alala ko pa yung first interview na pinuntahan ko to become a cabin crew. It's a local airline sa Pilipinas. And nakakatawa kasi hindi pa talaga ako marunong mag-makeup that time. And limited lang din yung mga makeup na meron ako. I think ang meron lang talaga ako that time is concealer and I don't have foundation. So nagpasama pa ako sa mama ko para bumili ng basic makeup like anong tawag dito, eyeshadow and everything. And that time hindi pa rin talaga ako marunong magkilay. So parang pag tinitingnan ko yung pictures ko nung time na yon, during my training din dun sa airline na yon, medyo weird yung makeup ko, pero pwede na rin naman. And I promise you, hindi nyo naman kailangan maging expert in the makeup field para maging cabin crew. Kasi masasanay ka rin talaga kasi everyday ba naman yun yung gagawin mo. So, ayun. So, foundation is done. The next thing I'm gonna do is my eyebrows. I'm sure, I hope you've already watched my video about how I do my eyebrows. So, for now, I'm not gonna elaborate much on this. Didiretso ko na lang. Alam nyo ba, na nagpunta ako nung first job interview ko dun sa airline na yon, yung confidence level ko, sobrang baba talaga. Tapos yung mga girls pa na mga kasabayan ko, sobrang, alam mo yung, you can tell na sobrang prepared sila. And for me, parang gumawa lang ako ng resume ko the night before na pumunta ako for the interview. And then pagpasok ko doon, medyo madami na yung mga nakapila. Tapos ang gaganda ng suot nila. Eh ako nag-ukay-ukay lang naman ako ng business attire ko kasi nga, wala naman akong pambili pa ng, wala pa akong pambili ng business attire ko. So kasama ko si mama, nag-ukay-ukay kami. Doon ako nakabili ng blazer, ng skirt. Well, anyway, meron naman akong mga normal na formal tops. So yun yung sinuot ko. Wala lang, minsan nakakatawa lang din mag-look back kung ano ba yung mga pinagdaanan ko for this, to get this job. Although, I think I've been lucky enough kasi isang interview lang and nakapasa naman ako. At the end of the day, may work na ako. And that's it. Eyebrow is done. So, like what I said, when you go for your interview, hindi mo, parang, you don't want to scare the recruitment officer. So, don't put too much smoky eye or yung parang pabongga talaga na you think that they're gonna hire you kasi sobrang galing mo mag-makeup. Tip for you, when you choose your eyeshadow color, go for the more neutral tones kasi like what I said, gusto mo nga, you want to look natural and you want to look professional. So we're gonna use more of the browns and gray colors just to accentuate the shape of the eye, and you don't want to scare the recruiter kasi anyway, hindi naman sila mai-impress with your makeup skills and everything because they're not hiring makeup artists. You're there to be hired as a cabin crew. And now let's get started with the eyeshadow with this BUXOM palette na lagi ko talagang ginagamit for a flight, ever reliable kasi talaga nagsistay siya. So I'm gonna choose this color first, the one right here. I'm gonna get my eyeshadow brush. So, yung highlight na yon, nalagay lang natin hanggang dito sa itaas. So, the next color I'm gonna use is from the Sleek palette. Ayan. Ang gagamitin ko is more of a matte color right here. And then, line your crease dito. Kung saan yung nafe-feel nyo yung parang yung ball ng mata, dun nyo lang siya ilagay. Ayan. Sundan nyo lang yung ano niya. Sundan lang yung shape. Tsaka sobrang basic lang nito. Ito yung one of the easiest ways na gagawin mo yung makeup mo. Kasi sobrang dali lang i-blend ang mga brown and matte colored eyeshadows compared sa mga sobrang dark. And you can never go wrong with neutral colors. I think most airlines ngayon dyan sa Pilipinas, they opt for neutral colors like nude lipstick and brown eyeshadow. So, I would suggest, kung yun yung airline na pupuntahan ninyo, like Cebu Pacific, right now, I think they're not allowed to use any other color of lipstick aside from nude. So, I guess, kung pupunta kayo for that interview for Cebu Pacific, go for that look as well so that the recruitment officer or yung HR, makita nila, they will have an idea, okay, she's gonna look pretty in the uniform. Ganito yung possible na magiging look niya kapag she's in uniform. Because, let's admit it, when we go for open days or interviews, the first thing that the recruitment officers or the recruiters will look at us is our physical appearance. So, para sa akin, grooming talaga is very important. Kasi sometimes, like for example, when you go for open day ng Qatar Airways, you will only get, 5 seconds lang natitingnan ka nila, and that's it. So, you really need to give a very, very good impression kapag nakita nila yung look mo. Give your best smile. Kasi parang wala namang kwenta na your makeup is so beautiful and you're not even smiling, diba? Confidence is from within. You don't get your confidence from your makeup. I'm gonna put some brown as well dito sa baba. Let me just, konting-konti lang. And then come back with dun sa light color na ginamit natin. Tapos lalagay lang natin siya dito. So, yung eyeliner na ginagamit ko ngayon, trinay ko lang siya. It's from Intuit Hairbrush Eyeliner. Ayan. So, gaganin ko lang. Konting-konti lang. Kasi kapag binobonggahan ko yung winged liner ko, nasisita ako. Next, we're gonna get our black eyeliner. And this is the L'Oreal MATIC eyeliner. And that's that. So now it's time to curl the lashes and put on our mascara. It's Volume Million Lashes, and it's waterproof. Hanapin nyo lang yung color na blue, light blue. This one. Yan siya. The blue color. And then you look down, and then go up. Ang gagamitin ko again to contour is the Don't Be Afraid to Dazzle palette from Tarte. Shape yung face. Kasi gumamit tayo ng foundation. And usually when you put foundation, nabubura yung natural contour of your face. Favorite blusher is the one from NARS, and this is called ORGASM. I'll just get a flat brush and dab it like that. Konting-konti lang. Ayan, very, very light lang yung pagkaka-blush para hindi naman mukhang sinampal yung mukha mo, diba? And then next, after ng blush is highlight. And I just like put a highlight, just very slight dito sa dyan. Is silver highlight from Etude House. This one. I'm not sure if meron pa silang ganito until now. And dito sa Cupid's bow. So, yung lipstick na gagamitin ko is a red color. These are two of my favorite red colors. Ito, dito sa Sephora number 1. It's a liquid matte lipstick as well. Actually, ang tawag nila dito, cabin crew lipstick. Cabin crew red. Kasi pag nagpunta ka ng Sephora dito sa Middle East, in Qatar, tapos hinanap mo yung Sephora red, alam na nila na ito yung kailangan mo. And pag ito yung hinahanap mo, it means you're a cabin crew. And this one is from Kat Von D, and it's called Nosferatu. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon is I will make an ombre lipstick. So, I'll start off with the darker color, the Nosferatu. Ilalagay lang natin siya sa edges. And we'll start with the Sephora red. Ilalagay natin siya sa center. And there you go. Meron ka ng ombre lips. And that's it. Once you're done with the makeup, what I do is I set this whole thing with the setting spray. Let it dry. And trust me, kahit suotin mo ng 12 hours yung makeup mo, hindi siya gagalaw. Just finish up the hair a little bit. And that's it. This is how I do my cabin crew makeup. I hope na-enjoy kayo guys. And for girls out there who are interested to become a cabin crew in the future, or you're interested to go for interviews for any airline there in the Philippines, I hope nagustuhan nyo tong tutorial na to. And don't worry, in the future, I will be making more videos to give you more tips how you can ace your interviews. What should you do? What should you wear? How should you act? So stay tuned for that. For now, nag-start muna ako with this first step, how to do a cabin crew makeup. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This has been Days with Kath. I'll see you next time. Bye!
Mm-hmm.